How you doing? Hope you're having a great day. I'm having a fantastic day. Glad you stopped here. Tell you a little about me. My name's Paul Gahn, and I'm really happy you dropped over here. But the reason that I wanted to talk to you a little bit about was a book that I've just been reading. It's by Marva Eckert, and it's called The Millionaire Mind. And within that book, it's pretty cool. He gets into like 17 different principles about how to become a millionaire, which, yeah, who doesn't want to do that, right? But anyway, what he really talks about the most is passive income, and how passive income can create you that millionaire mindset and actually create the $1 million. But do you really want $1 million? Everybody says yeah, but you don't really. What you want is financial freedom. Financial freedom to do what you want to do, when you want to do it, and nobody's going to tell you different, right? Everybody wants that. So, there's a lot of different opportunities you can get from time to time. This is just one of the many opportunities. I tell you what, if you'll just give me your name, fill out your email, I'll send you some information. That's a dog barking. Must be somebody getting ready to come close to the door. Anyway, give me your name and your email. I'll make sure that I send something right out to you so you can check out this opportunity. Send me back an email, let me know you hated it, you liked it, whatever. Just give me an idea. Plus I'll have a few other things you might be interested in that would help you along the way if you're already in network marketing. Okay? Have a fantastic day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.